Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove a background in Canva to create awesome cutout images. Whether you want that pro-looking cutout for your Instagram, a YouTube thumbnail, or maybe just to spice up a poster, by the end of this video you'll know how to do it in just a few clicks. Trust me, this is super useful, and once you learn it, you'll find yourself using this trick all the time. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have your picture ready and already uploaded to Canva. If you haven't uploaded it yet, just hit the Upload tab on the left, select your photo, and give it a second to upload. Once it's there, simply drag your picture onto the main canvas. Think of the canvas like your digital workspace. It's where all the magic is about to happen. Once your image is on the canvas, go ahead and click on it to select it. This step is important because once the image is selected, you'll see some options pop up at the top of your screen. These are all the fun editing tools Canva gives you. Now look up at the toolbar and find the BG Remover, that's short for Background Remover. Give it a click. When you do this, Canva will automatically detect the background in your image and remove it for you. It's almost like having a tiny AI assistant working behind the scenes. Don't worry if it takes a couple of moments. It all depends on your internet speed and the size of the image, but usually it's pretty quick. Okay, take a look and you'll notice your picture doesn't have any background anymore. You're left with just your subject, kind of like when you cut something out with scissors, but way less messy. This step is super useful because it gives you a clean cutout that you can place on any background you want. Now let's make this image pop even more by adding a new background. You can get really creative here. For example, maybe you want to swing yourself into a completely different scene for your Instagram, like standing on a beach at your favorite cafe or even just a cool color fade. To do this, go to the left sidebar and choose either the Backgrounds tab or search for an image you like. When you find one, just drag it onto the canvas and make sure it's behind your cutout. Canva automatically lets you move layers around, so you can click and drag to rearrange things until your cutout looks just right. Another quick tip, Canva has tons of ready-made templates like banners, posters, or social media posts. If you want, pick one that fits your vibe and just drag your cutout picture onto it. This instantly takes your design to the next level without having to build everything from scratch. It's perfect if you're in a hurry, but you still want that polished pro look. And that's pretty much it. Seriously, it's just a few clicks. Now you know how to remove backgrounds in Canva and make cutout images that really stand out. So next time you want to upgrade your social posts or give your designs that extra edge, you know exactly what to do. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. Have any questions or want to share what you made? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want more quick, easy tutorials like this one, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.